my BTech degree in CSE in the year 2020, and after that I took up a course in Python full stack from Besant Technology, Bangalore. And right from the beginning they were very supportive in providing all the assistance required, starting from my coordinator Ramesh to all the mentors, especially Shubham sir who handled Python, Shankar sir who handled front end, and Atulya ma'am who handled JavaScript, and all gave hands-on training in all the aspects required in order to brush up my skills. And Besant has also got a great HR team which enables us and assists us to get placed in a better company, and I'm very glad to announce that I got placed at Sakim in Bangalore as a result. Thank you guys.